Howdy Shop Warriors. Today we're going to review the Commercial Electric 1001 391 348. This is a Home Depot 4-foot LED light. We're going to unbox this thing. We're going to go through all the specs of it. I'm going to install it on my test rig here so you can see it next to a 4-foot fluorescent light. And then we're going to go through the good and the bad. We're going to cover everything. Alright, let's get into it. So this user guide that comes with this product is really pretty good. It's really pretty thorough. I just wanted to show this real quick. They show how to mount it if you're surface mounting it. And they show, well, this is the mounting part, the wiring, which I thought was really nice. I mean, wiring this is pretty simple anyways, but they do a really nice, thorough job of showing you how to connect everything. Then they also have another section showing you how to mount it if you're going to mount it to the ceiling and have it hanging down. So anyways, I just thought the instruction guide was really very good and very thorough. And then here they show you how, the different ways to connect if you're linking them together. So I thought they did a really great job with this. All right, let's open this up to show you what's inside. I'm gonna squeeze these tabs. Here we go. We have one here, another one here, another one here, another one here. And one thing I want to point out is there is a metal piece here. You get a close-up of this. Alright, so to open this thing, I'm going to squeeze here, where all these tabs are. Here, here, here. Now you'll notice on one side you have the tabs, on the other side you have the same tabs, but you also have this metal piece. So it's easiest to open it from the side opposite of this metal piece. So in this case I tried to open it on this side first and it kind of bent it and wouldn't work coming very easily, so definitely recommend if you see that little piece in the middle, switch to the other side and squeeze on the opposite side where the tabs are. Release that side first and then it will pop open. Alright, so we have the LED light open. I'm going to disconnect this. Alright, so just disconnected that so we don't damage anything. So this is the actual light with the LED part, the lens. So that's separate. Let's pull out the accessories that are inside. So we have a wire to link two of these together. We have the mounting screws and another adapter to butt two of these together to link them. We have our ground wire, which one thing I do like about these is they include the little connectors here, so all you have to do is strip your wire and slide it into this extra hole right there, and that'll connect it to it. It's very nice, very easy. Alright, let's see what else we have. So this is another adapter. Let's see if we can show the end there. Plugs into one end of the light, has an on-off toggle switch, and then your 3-prong. And there is, on both ends of this, you can pull off this little cap, and there is an adapter or a plug in there. Go to the other end and show that. You can see that it's on both ends. And then here are our hot and neutral wires, which again have the little things right there. So you just strip your wire and plug it in and you're good to go. Alright. We have our holes for mounting. Our other mounting hole. It also has knockouts, so there's a knockout here. There's a knockout up in the middle here. Easier to see it on the back. There we go. So you have 1, 2, 3 knockouts, and then two holes for mounting screws. All right, so that is all the accessories that come inside this guy. All right, let's get into the specs on this commercial electric light. This model number is 1001391348. I bought it at Home Depot for $30. Got a link there to it. This is a 4 feet. It's an integrated bulb type, so you can't replace the bulb. It's a part of the fixture itself. And by the way, all this information here on this Google Sheet you can access on my website. You can actually make your own copy of this Google Sheet if you like. I've got another tab here, the All Products tab, where I've got all the information on this product and 7 other LEDs that I'm doing video reviews on. So be sure and check out those videos. And if you want access to this Google Sheet, you can go to my website, theshopwarrior.com/free. You can get access to this and other Google Sheets tools and free downloads that I have. So the lumens on this, so it's 1800 lumens. The color temperature is 4000 K. The CRI rating is 80. Lifespan rating is 50,000 hours, which is really good. That's on the high end that I've seen. The watts per light is 20 watts. So in this case, there's one light, so the whole thing is 20 watts. Mounting type is surface, or you can actually be suspended as well. But either way, the power source in this is a plug-in. You can plug it into an outlet or hardwire it. It comes with several adapters. It is linkable. It is not dimmable. It includes a 5-year warranty. And yeah, just noting that there are adapters, which we showed earlier. All right, the company, I need to put some notes in here on that, but this is a Commercial Electric makes this, which is a Home Depot brand. So Home Depot is behind this. So that's a vote in my favor for this company, because Home Depot is only going to stock something that they believe in, right? All right, so that is all the specs on the Commercial Electric light. Next, we're going to install it on the test rig, light it up, and let you see the difference between this 4-foot fluorescent. So I wanted to show you how you install this. It's really very easy. There are 2 holes, one here and one on the bottom. You simply screw the screw through there, and that is it. One down, one up top, and one at the bottom there, and that is all there is to it. And it's mounted. All right, we have the light rigged up here, turned on. So comparing next to it is a fluorescent. That's a 4-foot fluorescent. There's 2 bulbs in there compared to our single 4-foot LED, the Commercial Electric. The fluorescent is rated at 4100 K, so that's the color, and the Commercial Electric is 4000. So you can kind of get a sense of the color there a little bit. They're really pretty close. The camera doesn't quite show, but the LED does look a little bit whiter. The fluorescent looking a little bit more yellowish, but it's not too different. I'm going to focus the camera on the wall there, so you can see the different ways the camera is interpreting the light. So another thing I found that's good is to look at the way the light casts onto the wall and to the floor. All right, so that is the lights side by side. Hopefully that gives you a sense of the difference in the color and the difference in the lumens, how much light that they throw. Gives you some idea of how bright this thing is. All right, let's talk the good and the bad about this Commercial Electric light. So one of the things I like is that this unit is linkable, which is great, and they include all of the accessories you need to link units together. The adapter if you want to butt them up against each other, or the longer one. And then you also get the power cord if you want to just plug it in and go. So that's a great option. You can also hardwire. So the other thing I really like about these units from from Lowe's and Home Depot, like this guy, you get these bigger fixtures that are wider, and you get this bigger lens. And what I like about that is it diffuses the light really well, so it's nice and soft on your eyes. Some of the ones from Amazon, they're much smaller and thinner, which is partly why they're cheaper. The fixture itself on the metal is probably half as wide, and the lens is smaller as well. So what you tend to see there is the light is a little harsher on your eyes, whereas this guy diffuses the light really well. So if you have a lower ceiling or a smaller space, that makes this one a better choice for you potentially. This is $30 for one unit. So kind of on the downside, on the negative on this one, is it's $30 for one unit. So if you want to fill your shop with a whole bunch of lights, this can get costly. Like my garage, I'm planning on doing 12 feet, 3 rows of 12 feet. So, you know, if I was going to buy these to cover that space, it would start to add up. When you have cheaper options on Amazon, where you can spend around $60 and get 4 lights, for example. There's one product like that. So, you know, compared to that, this is expensive, but again, if you have a smaller shop or you only need a few of these, I do think this is a great option. Another thing on the downside to this is that these little these plugs are kind of hard to get out, and putting these into them is very difficult. So I definitely recommend if you're going to, you know, depending on how you're going to use these connectors, to test fit them first. So the other good thing about this product is it's, you know, Commercial Electric is a Home Depot brand, so you can buy from Home Depot, return it to Home Depot, which is nice compared to Amazon or other options. It's also got a 5-year warranty, which is the leading warranty that I've seen for these products, and it's rated at 50,000 hours, which is again also leading for these products. So, you know, it's backed by Home Depot, backed by a warranty, so I gotta think that this product is gonna perform well. And if you have problems, you can take back to Home Depot, which is very nice. So overall, I really like this light. My only kind of big concern would be the price on it. If you're gonna wanna fill an entire shop with them, it would start to add up. But otherwise, I think it's a really great light. So I've reviewed 7 other LED lights as well. I have individual videos on those, and then I have a big comparison video showing all these. So if you want to check that out and kind of see what other lights are like, feel free to do that. I've also, that Google Sheet I showed you, the specs on this guy, you can get that for free, and the comparison table that has all the data and a whole bunch of lights. So that's at theshopwarrior.com/free. And then if you want more information on this and some specs and things, you can go to theshopwarrior.com/videos. Find this video, and I've got a page there with some information. So feel free to check that out. Hope that was helpful for you guys. You'll have a good one.